hustle, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to do the aloe vera and baking soda face mask. Okay, I have seen this type of face mask on YouTube and I decided to try it today. Okay, so now before we go into the face mask making, there are a lot of things that I want us to see over here. Okay, the benefit of baking soda has the it enlightens the blemishes, and it also softens your lips and make your lips to be pink, and it also prevents the blackhead on the skin. Okay, and it also serves as exfoliating property. Okay, it exfoliates your skin, so that is the benefits of the baking soda. We have a lot of benefits of the baking soda, so that is just a simple benefits that I'm considering before doing this. So now when it comes to aloe vera also have some kind of benefit to the skin. Okay, it serves as moisturizer, and it also helps in wounds healing, and it fights aging. So that is it, and it also reduces acne on your skin, and it also helps brighten your dark circles. It enlightens the blemishes as well, and it also treats enzymes. Okay, so that is just the benefit of the aloe vera. So now in this my facial mask that I'm going to do, I'm going to add olive oil. Okay, olive oil also has some kind of benefits that it gives to the skin, so we are going to look at the benefit that it gives to the skin. It also helps to treat the under eye, and acts as a sunscreen to the skin, and it also prevents cancer. It gets rid of wrinkles on the skin, and it also acts as anti-aging oil. It also helps in removing your makeups or anything like that, and it also give we have a lot of treatment that it gives. So I'm just looking at the skin, what it does to the skin. That is what I'm looking at, and it makes your skin look smooth. That is what I mean. So that is all about what it does to the skin. So that are the things that I consider before making this mask. Okay, so if you can see my face, I have some kind of blemishes, the high pigmentation on my face. So I hope this mask is going to work on my skin. Okay, so see you now. Let me show you the ingredients that I'm going to use for this remedy. Okay, so without much ado, let's dive into the video.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let.
So this is the olive oil that I'll be using. So my baking soda, actually when I went to get it, I couldn't get the container one, so the type is like this. This is how it comes in before I bought, so I couldn't get the container one. Okay, so this is what I got for my baking soda. And now I have my aloe vera washed already, so I'm just going to take off the gel from it. So yeah,
Stop comparing yourself to other people. You're only on this planet to be you, not someone else's imitation of you.
so you let me finish off camera and talk to you later. So guys, I finished with the aloe vera gel. I couldn't get much, but it will be enough for the facial mask. Okay, so now I'm going to add the baking soda. I think 2 pack is okay for it. Okay. So I'm not adding them olive oil. So wow. So yeah, this is my max. So now I'm going to apply the gel on my face, but before that I need to wet my face before. So I have wet my face. Now this is the gel. I'm going to apply it on my face, so I have to watch the mirror inside. Okay.
You will fail at some point in your life. Accept it. You will lose. You will embarrass yourself. You will suck at something. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. Fail big. That's right. Fail big. You only live once, so do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test, was 9 dots, and you had to draw 5 lines with a pencil within these 9 dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it was to go outside the box. So don't be afraid to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to...
It's okay to not be okay. It's just not okay to stay that way. The one thing I know about emotions is that they change. 1 hour from right now, you will not feel the same way. And I want to encourage you tonight that you might be in your darkest moment. You might be going through hell and high water. But I know this, it is always too soon to quit. You have a reason to live. Your best days.
So now, after I finish scrubbing or using the mask on my face, I'm going to leave it for around maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But I can't wait for that, so I just have to use it to do something else. Then I'll come and show you how my face look like. Okay, so see you guys. This is how the mask is on my face for now. I'm just waiting for a while, but I can feel some kind of itchiness on my skin. I don't know, I'm feeling some itchiness, yeah. But I think it will stop after I wash it. So this is how my face is looking like. I hope it works. I hope it works. Okay. Uh-huh. So yeah, I let the mask dry on my skin, and this is how it's looking like. And I'm about to wash it out, and let's see the final result. Okay. So yeah. So guys, this is how my face is after raising it. You can see that my face is brightening. I can see that it's because of the aloe vera. My face is being moisturized. I love the look. Can you see this? Wow. And I think I continue to use it, it will remove my dark this thing. I made the high pigmentations on my face, but I love the way my skin is glowing. Okay, so you let me finish cleaning it off or wiping it and come back to you guys. So guys, I haven't used any cream yet or any moisturizer yet, but still my face is glowing. Okay, I think my face is glowing. And now I'll go in with my moisturizer and with my lip moisturizer and everything. Then yeah, I'll come back. Guys, I won't bet you. My face is looking soft. Wow. So guys, I love how my skin is glowing. I won't lie to you. I feel like skin is being refreshed. Okay, that is how I feel on my skin right now. But I think continued use of that can remove the hyperpigmentation on my face. So that is what I think. It makes my face look softer and be moisturized at the same time. So that's all I can say about these max. Okay, so I think if you're someone who have a mature skin and you have this type of hyperpigmentation or whatever, try to use it. It will continue use of that can remove those things on your face. So I just tried it and I love the way my skin is looking or is glowing. So guys, I think this mask is very good, and I think once in a while or twice in a week I will be doing this so that I can see whether it can remove the hyperpigmentation on my face. So for my review for this mask is, I may not say 100% okay for now, but I may give it 70% because it has refreshed my skin and it has made my skin softer, and I can see that it has moisturized my skin well. So that is what I can say about this mask, and I think if I try to use it, it will make my skin better. So that is all I can say for now, and thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is very helpful. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and also keep your notification bells on so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you in my next video. Bye.